Hey guys, Arta here. I'm substituting for Joseph to narrate this video because Joseph is enjoying the time of his life in France, probably eating a baguette. Today, we are going to be showing you how to uninstall your dashcam. We get this question all the time, so here's a video to answer all of your questions. Before you remove the dashcam from the front mount, unplug the power cable and any other cables attached to the dashcam, such as a GPS or rear camera cable. Then, depending on the brand of dashcam you are using, remove it from the mounting bracket either by sliding it off the mount or by pressing a release button. The adhesive on the mount is very strong and will seem impossible to remove by just pulling it off. We recommend using a prying tool, a thin cutter blade, a credit card, or even a fishing wire dental floss. Or if you don't have Windex around, a hair dryer will also work. Once you pull it off the mount, you may see some residue left on the windshield. Just clean it up with glass cleaner or an alcohol wipe. How to uninstall the dashcam hardwiring cable. Use the trim pry tool to remove the cable from the headliner. Loosen or remove the A-pillar cover to access the cable, following the cable route down the A-pillar to the fuse panel. Once you reach the fuse panel, first, what you want to do is unscrew the ground bolt. After that, you want to take out the fuse that's connected to the wires. Disconnect the black, red, and yellow wires. Finally, put back the fuse into the empty fuse slot. If you routed the rear camera cable along the A, B, and C panels, then you will first need to loosen or remove the pillar covers. Remove any zip ties or tape that secure the cabling. Once you reach the rear windshield, use a trim pry tool to remove the cable from the headliner. If the cable is routed through the rubber grommet on the liftgate, carefully slide the cable out. Take your time. Don't just yank the cable out in case it's taped or tied to other cables along the panels, the grommet, or the headliner. Put back all panel covers. So that's how we uninstalled the Blackview DR900X 2-channel plus dashcam from Mini Cooper S. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates and news on BlackboxMyCar. Check out the video we released last week to see how we installed the Blackview DR970X 2-channel LTE into this. Thanks for watching, and if you like this videos, please tell Joseph that so that way he can keep on hiring me to make more videos and that way he can get more vacations to France.